down to the big day. Adom praise. Ye be him pa. Ye be him no kwasi da eba. No na ya shase tempa so. Presdom ebe woso. Presdom wo shake. Iba. On to take it ma san count the tempa so na yenhia na nya. Enyuma wo hwe na uti no no. Eye ne nketwa. New song, and of course, more any other big acts come on to my CNE AGNE on Sunday. Yasam Ketwa, Quacotuntuma Rade, Quanstron Cosocra. I don't know some multimedia can one. Aja, the Akan be Quafwa at Edremwa, and easy cry, and Maisha and Tempaso, Richoko. I'm okay, one of paying it in summer day, bro. Richoko, ba, to say, hot me, wa, the and of course, game pack, who are so episode game pack, the NB and sign or the ticket. Oh, turn out be ticket in a soon. Well, any pick 1 and pick 4, and I can be also with me on one gym now. What is Kadia go bottom gamepackgames.com. Now can be also on Game Pack also on Play Store. What download the App Store, but my download in a abbreviated on one gym. Now what is at the Agu bottom. Okay, one of payna. And then someone at the Brewana, corner, Yakohe, Sunny and someone is here. Sergio Manucho Bernard Paribuche, or me producers, Kidwana Kasani, Eric Asiru Bwedi. And the UEFA Champions League, and Nanya Sam Ketwa Kra, a bit formable, a bit so a boy, Nanya Sam Ketwa. City saw a game in Bassane, the other game final about Lazio by 3-1. Celtic now Atletico Madrid the game no a 2-2 and a Newcastle United Dortmund Ekobono 1-0 Ewofi and I'm a group in my Depay and of course Paris Saint-Germain about AC Milan by 3-0. They can catch out at Leipzig about Red Belgrade 3-1 and our young boys and so Man City Ekobono 3-1 Barcelona 2-1 Antwerp Porto Kobono Kanaya Timo Bako and Pepe Gusto Bobo, former Real Madrid player. I had the oldest player was here kind of the UEFA Champions League anymore on your goalkeeper. 40 years na Pepe. Wow. Tell also one asamoah no e Porto a game onimo na ye kind of sa no na ye kwedi mo kohe the Africa Football League is on and semi-final quarter final second leg games Baso Esperance de Tunis amne TP Mazembe born at 3 p.m. now with that and Nyimba and so abo 6 p.m. Shane so mame say multimedia ya jagiri ani aso benya bia show Joy Prime commentaries so asempe fam ya na de bro enti no ne so ne wonsam esi etie e wo aye eno so na the Europa League Baso and I so no the conference league games ahodo so girigire mu anya sam keto akra de be piem bia no ya de ebebro now yen ko hwe de ekoso e won semfo from na no ada ya ntia sempa kopie mu e wo aye voter region potem ho ne ade a ebi aye makoso modam e fe ho kakra ke se afani pama akoya reho na se sports for no so de ho jim politicians na aya de mo agimu ane ade a na ane jesam na say Black Stars captain former captain SMK Steven Tornado apia and a CEO de Wembley Sports Complex ama komo to ma se ni twe e de niema kakra akwa akoche ye nipa bi omo kan ya oti region ne voter region ne omo kan na kakra se kakra bi omo so benya e de aboani na adwumade na se no na ahwese na nhye ne city mattresses no mo ne ye aduane ne o Steven apia ne Coleman mo ya de pa ye mo ngura sa story ne mo hwe.
I'm even getting emotional because asking myself if I'm in the same situation with my family. I mean, we have been seeing pictures, we have been watching television. Being here is a different thing. The feeling is different. I'm so sad, so sad this afternoon.
Nat, I've been to this area before. I remember when the MP contacted me, we wanted to do an AstroTurf here, so I came with my team to assess the place, and coming back to this area to see what is going on, I'm extremely surprised. Like Steven said, I'm very sad this afternoon. Look at the number of people who are displaced, and it doesn't look like the water is receding anytime soon. So I am extremely devastated by what I have seen here. I want to use this opportunity to call on government. I know government is trying to do something for the good people of the area. I also want to call on corporate bodies to come and help them because the issue here is extremely pathetic.
Right, and Coleman and I finished to the Steven Tornado appear, my boy, Yamisha Pa. You finish so now and coherence and for your Quaco the CAF Champions League and Ghana Club back with Yanemo Champions League Medema Sporting Club. Na Atiasam Depa, Sansa more sponsorship, they see more bay. Go Fields Ghana for say Omwana kind almost Ambwa, Omwana Tim when the fee Mediamamu. I feel my sign on my can't see any trick. This guy Babashem Mediama Sporting Club mo. I brought more group stage of the UEFA CAF Champions League mo. And yeah, now yeah, kind of one semono. Now TNA Park near Casa Mediama bit Messi a kind of now some cry banner say I don't know maybe March 2024. It's Mediama to me see a kind with the new TNA Park and that's why near Niaje some bit Messi a kind ever on more. Now go first for this and same way to Gano. Now say Mediama for him Sasanka Krabat there March 2024 and at TNA Park you know won't be.
Ya ye juma kakra finance so yes ya idibesi 90% wa na ya srede kakra wa kede yemfa mpa bonta ye nechi wonfa mpa bonta ye nechi workers nechi na yenye no no so mfi ho kama so yenye adamenti in the park na ye wie na yen fan share ni ura nensa obe ye ya obebre pa do bi beka dem na park ye sha asi nyina ya akade onye go force ye ne japadi yare ye dia ma omano na obeba ne den na ya ye dwuma ma oma na ewie na yes ye mfa nhye oma ne nsa nti ende ye bu ye na bo wo be se obi wo dwuma bi oye na we gya ho na onye ya wo bohu se ye wie kwata nso na yes ye mfa nhye oma ne nsa nso wo bohu nti ye obebi a wo pede wo wura bia won fa won cameras wura ho no wontwa onye de se contractor bi wo ho na se o se ye ntua ne county na onye adwuma wo be ka kire won ye ni invoice bi ada ye no pono do che de ye wie adwuma bi a ye ntua sikasam yeden nanso yede ye nanu abodo ne de ye gudu ayere ye nti bibia nsi ye no kwan ewe dwuma ne ho na nya de nso a ye wie na yede esie oho no ya na ye mpede be kan do bia pede wona wode wona nwehu ende ye ka se park wo bobo odu no be ye ya wonim onye ye ya wonim ade a wode ye ma oye ye nso yede ye jejem workers gudu a wore ye adamade ne pepepe na bibi ti de grass enti me mbegina ho nhye dade me dua adamadi odu de a obe ye how they do fertilizer be gudo nsu beto egudo ebe ye irrigation ebe ye bibia say betima ma range there within 2 months 3 months obe ye no wanye ye ya ebe ye nen oye nyame na body a wa ye enti infrastructure no beyond what technology will allow inti technology bi owo ho bia fertilizer dudu bi odi edigumo be ye bia ye inti ye resre there wonya botem mo mayen na pressure na onu na ode epiraba park na do nti se wonya aboche ma yen dia de ma ya aka no next year first quarter takwafo ye nenwa beje pa.
Wow, park na efe papa ya na ewi ni say ya na efe but actually sem no yes and I say next year match e be ready ka we say ye ready pa na ka me dia ma isi o maka ho a kanya sem keto akra but am say omon prepare mo ho embia no mo train match mo ma bia no na bibia tima ko ye guso ka me die ma asem no Champions League mo bonti no mo matches bi ka mo mpani fo ahwa me ye fu enra how nations FC pim so born nations by a goal Chuneo and coach Evans Adote one on a coach edema me die ma wonim say na mo matches bi na mo rewa for mo ni ade a mo ebo ye mo timi afri to aba be to ye 11th position am be fa na sana Evans Adote ni
me a coach, me pay keeping clean sheet more than scoring 3 against 2, scoring 4 against 3, and now scoring 2 against 1. Me pay 1-0, me pay 2-0, me pay 3-1, me pay 3-2, and then me coaching style. Until Yami Adom man said, and the BB de Abba, Masha 1 man consider. This time on the track.
Right, Coach Evans Adote, nani aje se wa keep clean sheet now. Coach Kasim Mengel, so you coach the man nations or Ajatum say na mediama for hoden. Tina mo sham one.
A bad team. Once they qualify for the money, they've entered the money zone. They are doing well. They are doing well. But the reason why Muhu said we give them a strategy, they are also tough. Practically, Muhu said we dominated them. And just say we are cheap side. You know, we are a new club, but you should know the people behind the team, the technical men behind the team. I and Justice Smith are not small coaches in the country. So if you have such people behind the team, you should expect such a position from them. Team Mediama, they are in Africa, they are doing well. But you people see saying, no, We dominated them all right. It means we are doing the pre-season. We beat them 3-2 before they played the Africa game. We beat them 3-2, so no, we are on the bad side.
Right, Kasim Mengel, we coached the Nations FC in some or the two no. Now, Fiona Yanko and some from Momatema Kumasi, Asante Kotoko, Makachene Yakosisia, and coach Prosper Nete Ogum. There's someone to gas on game on it, Bichim Airport this weekend over by our sports stadium or GD Pass and Rantin and Badwam.
I think as far as points accumulation is concerned, myself and the players, we are all not happy because if you look at it, it means that we've given half of the points away, which shouldn't have been. If you look at the games we have played and the creativity we've shown in front of goal, we shouldn't be having 9 points as at now. But then, as I said earlier on, it's a learning curve. Looking at the remaining matches left for the first round, I think we need to ensure that we win all these games and make sure that at the end of the first round we should be at the top there. Kotoko is known to be the best, and we must always prove that we are the best, and this comes with a lot of determination, a lot of commitment, a lot of self-belief, a lot of aggression from the blast of the whistle to the end. So I'm sure gradually we are getting there. It's a rebuilding process. The team is becoming good. To me, as a coach and my technical staff, we don't see the team being good as at now. We think that per the potentials that these players possess, we are yet to unlock these potentials in these players. And if we are able to do that, I think we'll see a good, better, and best Kotoko.
Right, good, better, and best Koroko. I don't know the Prosper Nete Ogum the Eto Eja, and of course, GamePackGames.com, GamePack for Kehona, and then some right here, Bre Walbe, Nyeskaria Gubo to my GamePack. Yes, so call Play Store, App Store, download the Game Pack, and select your pick 1, pick 4, and numbers be a beba mu Mudi Guswa, Nessa Quampias, who dear Gubo to me at the and 9 and at 12 at 6 p.m. 3 times a day, they be a bit medica at the Gubo to Momokana, and some idea brown nano pay, and of course, Richard Cone, see many more, me, Mabo Bobby, me brodo, me media him, no matter me, so I can say flat, so do say, wait to Mupa, no, I'm a debo Bobiano Pena, Bibia sweaty me, Akoye, Kama pa. And of course, so now the Africa Football League is there, and teams are telling Africa in an idea buenia, Nina multimedia general, so the area and Yasia. You don't want some at the Bakama pa. You shall, I don't praise a Quasida or Perestum. You shall, because I don't know. I decided I can't come on a month for to ticket now on Yaudia, Masan County, and Indian question and Shbum pa speedy. Yes, the man Sergio Manucho and Bernard Padibuche. I'm producers and I pay O'Shane, Mr. Charles Japan was Zenith Bank. Fantastic morning, come up on Fadom TV, Niagro, a chow, and I pay a chow. Kai said, what did Nankasabeka Kijwane? Erica Sidu, because what have you?